is Friday. I'm so excited. I got off work early because I'm planning to go solo fishing today. Going back up to Lake De Sabla. My buddy was supposed to go with me, but something came up, so I'm gonna go by myself. Hopefully I'll catch something. It's a beautiful day. It looks overcast a little bit, so we'll see. And I will see you guys when I get there. I'm super excited because my weekend starts now. Peace. All right, guys, I am here. Get my gears out. We'll head out and see what we can catch today. I wish you guys can be here. Let's hike to the other side and see if there's any good spot over there. This side looks pretty decent, but we already fished on this side. Let's go try another side over there. Hopefully we have luck over there. No guarantee, every day's different, right? But like I always said, even if I didn't catch a fish, just being out here alone, it's worth it. So here. Oh, looks like there's all the fish on this side. Look at that. Check it out. There it is. Wow, let's try right here. Look at that. Look at all them trout jumping. They're down here hanging out. Look at that. Wow. Let's try right here. They caught some pretty going on over there. Oh, good size too. Wow. Good size. Oh, lucky dog. Well, got away. That's fine though. We're here for fun. They're catching these little flies. That's why fish not biting today. Của này cá là chó đâu tỏ. Giờ tao chọn cá nữa. Tao chọn cá nữa để xem. Ô, có kia này, anh hả?
Cá nuôi chả na, chọn cá nuôi chả na.
Cho nên mía cá ya ya là chờ bắt đây là chạy nữa mà. Là chụp mấy nhiều kia đấy. I had to improvise. I found a duck feather, and I just took the very tip and tied it onto my hook. And it seems to be working, kinda. Well, we'll see. There it is. Come on. Take it. Take it. There you go. There. Oh. Dang it. Try it again. That's what I did. Just tie a little duck feather to the hook. Seems to be working pretty well, so since they're not biting anything else, might as well just do duck hair, huh? Improvise. All right, fish on, babe. Not bad. Yeah.
They got plenty right now.
Oh yeah, they got plenty of food.
Or you big food.
Well, how to use a feather? How to improvise after the power base not working.
Very good.
That this mosquito hook seems to be working really well. Look at that. Isn't she beautiful? Look at that. Nice. All right. Looks like 3 down. Pretty good size. Oh, yes. Woo. All right.
Yeah.
Took forever.
You did good.
Come on, last fish. It's starting to get a little bit dark and windy, so if we can catch one more, we're done. Just one more. Dang it. Good size. Very nice size. Alright, so it's getting cold and windy, so I'm just gonna head out. Got 4. 4 is better than nothing. But yeah, it was a great day. Beautiful weather, just a little bit windy. Now, let's go home. Time to go home and clean the fish. Alright, so I'm here, I'm getting the fire started right now. I'm gonna cook them trout, so we're gonna eat some, right? We may eat it with rice, or we may eat it just the way it is. So stay tuned. There's some mesquite charcoal, natural hardwood, and that way the fire will be much hotter. We'll wait and see. Oh, smells so good. All right, it's almost finished. All right, guys, fish is finally ready, and I gave 3 to my parents because they were hungry. So I saved 1 though. Let's check it out. Trout, and my brother made some trout lob. Gonna be good. You got sticky rice and bam, there it is. All right, let me start off with this. Cheers. Try that trout. Ooh, barbecue trout with a little bit of salt. So good. Sticky rice. Alright guys, come and eat with me. There's a plate. So if you haven't already, please do subscribe and hit that bell button. And stay tuned for more episodes. As always, on Shaw, 2 days off. Peace.